Hi Hadi, today we are going to draw a very nice painting here, and you can see something I have drawn previously. Now we are going to put the people here, a boy and a girl in the last end of the road. I'm just putting the head, drawing the body. hmm Drawing the boy here and his head. Okay, and the shades of the two person here, which is little bit longer shade. You can see. And the base, let's put the straight lines here, and we're going to draw a fence. Because of the perspective, you can see this is going to be narrow at the last end. And wider, as you can see it progress to our surface near at us. So the fence I'm drawing. Okay, because of the pointing, the surface may be uneven, but the presentations of the scenery must include the fence here. That's why we're doing the fence, so that the drawing looks good. We need more black color. Let's take the color. All right. Let's put another line for the fence here. And another line here. Okay. We can present few grasses at the bottom of the fence. Okay, so that it looks really like a real road, and the vertical columns and the poles are going to draw here. Okay, All right, let's put few poles here too. Mhm. Addition of more lines within the fence make it more realistic. Okay. All right. Now we need to put the stars and the other, the presentations. In the sky, you can see so many stars in the night sky. Some are blinking, some are smaller, some are bigger, some are shining. So much variations for the stars all over the sky, you can see. So we are going to put lots of it. Lots of colors. Very nice bright stars you can see here. Okay. We're putting lots of stars all over the sky. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like the paintings. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.